Hi, it's Hardreset and today I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi keep disconnecting on Samsung Galaxy A26. So first scroll from the top and open the Wi-Fi settings by hitting the details. Disable Wi-Fi and enable it again. Scroll from the top and do the same with airplane mode. Enable and disable after a second. That will reset the Wi-Fi settings. Now hit the gear next to your connected network. Hit forget. And once again try connecting. I think it was 5G. And if you still have any issues, then just restart your phone and the router. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.